So, you think you can grow a small account day trading, huh? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use simple scalping strategies to turn your small account into a profitable machine. Let's get started. What's going on, everybody? It is your boy, the chef. And if you are new here, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. Today, we're going to be talking about scalping. It is by far the fastest way that you can grow a small account if done correctly. But let me just be clear about something. It's not about luck and it's not about gambling. It's about strategy, discipline, and precision. First, let's talk about why scalping works for a small account. So with scalping, you're normally in and out of a trade within a few minutes and being able to capitalize on very small moves. And this will allow you to compound your account quickly without needing a large account size. So for step one, you have to make sure that you are trading the right pairs during the right sessions. For small accounts, I would personally stick to very liquid and high volatile pairs such as Euro USD, GBP USD, NASDAQ, US 30, and S&P 500. And you have to trade these pairs during high volatile times such as London and New York session. And liquidity means tighter spreads, which is everything for you as a scalper because we are trying to get in and get out. And with a wider spread, you will have to stay in a trade even longer. We don't want that. Step two is going to be to simplify your charts and only use indicators that absolutely work, such as using the 9 EMA or moving average to keep up with short-term trends, and other indicators such as the RSI, so you can know when the market is overbought or oversold. And if you're currently confused on the indicators that I'm currently talking about, I did indeed make a video on the top 5 must-have indicators. Go ahead and check that video out after this one. Don't you leave this video. It's gonna mess up my video on the algorithm. I'm sorry. Clutter charts could lead to bad decisions, so you want to keep it simple. Look at price action for what it is giving you and take quick, simple, easy trades. So as you all may know, I've went over this breakout strategy many times. If you haven't seen my $1,000 a day video, please go and watch that after this as well. You know what? Just watch the whole playlist, all right? But what I want to show you is the example of a perfect entry and a perfect exit. Now, if you have seen my video, you know that all I do each and every day is mark the high and the low of the pre-market, all right? Support and resistance. And when we get a breakout, we get into the trade instantly, all right? We can get in as the candle is breaking. Let me make this a little thicker. Or we can get in after the candle closure, all right? So let's just say, for instance, boom, we got in this trade right here. Stop loss will be above the most recent swing, all right? Remember, and this is on a 5-minute chart, guys. This is on a 5-minute chart. So we got in, as you can see, we got in that trade, and within 5, 10, 15 minutes, we were already in profit, and less than an hour later, we had already hit a 1 to 2 risk to reward. And if you wanted to, you could have let this run all the way down and made ridiculous money, all right? But you want to make your money and get out of the markets. You're not going to always catch big moves like this. So please do not try to catch a freaking 1 to 6, 1 to 7, 1 to 8 risk to reward each and every day. That is not how you're going to truly grow your small account. If you see potential of a runner, which is what this is, then yes, you can leave part of your position open and let it run. But we are here to grow our account, meaning when we hit our target, we take our money and we see the markets the next day or the next trade. We do not stay in just because we think the market is going to continue in our favor. Step 4 is going to be, you want to manage your risk like a professional, and I'm going to tell you how. So when managing your risk, you always want to make sure that you are using a stop loss. Do not enter a trade without a stop loss, you juvenile delinquent, you actual degenerate. Do not, I'm sorry. Use a stop loss each and every single trade. I don't care what any other trader has ever told you in the history of everliness. Use a stop loss because these markets will hit you with some humble juice if you do not. Make sure that you are not risking more than you can handle. I'm not going to sit here and tell you to risk 1 to 2% on the trade, because if you have a small account, chances are 1 to 2% aren't going to give you the profits that you need in order to grow that account. But what I will say is that you have to accept whatever risk that you're getting in on, all right? Whether you have a $100 account and you're risking $50 of it, you have to be all right with losing that $50 and know that there's a high chance that within 2 trades, you may blow your account completely. But on the opposite end, if you have a $100 account and you're risking $20 in order to make $40 every single time, and you just add up those 40s, those 40s, those 40s, those 40s, then quickly over time, you will grow your account, all right? But you want to make sure that you are using a stop loss and using proper risk, because the name of the game is survive until tomorrow. All right, the name of the game is protect your capital. If you cannot survive until tomorrow, you cannot have that big winning trading day. You may lose all your money today, and tomorrow you got that same setup and it worked out perfectly, and you could have made buku money, but you risked it all the day before. Remember that. Always remember that. The name of the game is survive until tomorrow. And step 5 is going to be, you want to master your emotions. Scalping is not for the weak. Please understand that you're going to be seeing your profit and loss, your negative and profit. You're going to see that number fluctuating quite a bit. But do not let your emotions of fear and greed get to you. Like I said, once you hit your target, take your money, all right? Or just set a take profit. Once that take profit is hit, you close down your charts, you turn off your phone, you do whatever it takes to get away from the markets and just see the markets the very next day. You want to stick to your plan and make sure that you are not forcing trades, all right? And like I said with my strategy, my 1,000 a day video, if you haven't seen that, you can use that strategy each and every single day to compound your account like crazy. So please be sure to go watch these videos, guys. I'm literally giving you the sauce. I'm giving you the sauce. I'm ratatouille out here. I'm quite literally ratatouille. Come on, man. But I want you to remember that growing a small account is not about catching that big win, all right? Although it would be nice, it is not about catching the big win. It is about consistently hitting the target over and over and over again and compounding that small account. And what that does is not only, grows your account, but it builds confidence. So when you start to see certain behaviors and certain patterns in the market, you will begin, I promise you, I say this all the time when I'm trading, I'm like, I've seen this before. You will start to see pattern and behavioral, patterns in the market. You're going to be like, wait a second, I've seen this before. And then you know exactly when to risk a little bit more versus all of the other trades. Like I'm telling you, I want you, once you see this, I want you to come back to this video and say, wow, Chef, thank you so much. You don't have to. You don't have to, but you're going to see it. And I can't wait for you to see it the way everyone, on a higher level is seeing it as well. But all in all, if you stick to these steps, you will begin to see profit and you will see growth in your small account, no matter the size. And just a quick shameless plug, if you are ready to take your trading skills to the next level, I just want to let you know that my day trading course is currently on sale for $25 for the entire month of January. I genuinely want to help as many people as possible. So if you like my content, if you want to learn more from me and be able to talk to me each and every single day, live trade with me in my Discord, I want you to go ahead and grab that course. All right, it's $25 only for the month of January. And if you're not satisfied with my product and you don't like what I'm teaching, then you have a 100% money back guarantee, thus making the course a risk-free investment. All right, I just want to help as many people as possible. And even if you don't like the content and go on and get your money back, we will still be forever friends, and I'll love you forever. The link is in the description for that course. Don't miss out on this special offer, because after January the price will go up. So if you like this video, I want you to please do me a favor, support the channel by hitting that like button, subscribing, and turning on that notification bell. And if you want a friend to see this, send it to a friend. Go ahead. What they gonna do? Block you? Maybe. I don't know. Maybe. But let's continue to grow together. All right, I will catch you all in the next video, but most importantly, let's cook.